To do the veil stitch, go into the first stitch as if to knit. Wrap the working yarn counterclockwise around the back needle. Then yarn over the front needle and wrap again around the back needle, creating a figure 8. Slide the back needle down and cross it in front of the X made by the 2 pieces of crossing yarn in the front, and slide the old stitch off the left needle. Repeat. In, figure 8, down, up, off. In, around, figure 8, down, in front of the crossing yarn, up, slide the old stitch off. The veil stitch creates an elongated, twisted stitch that is a perfect decorative addition to a lot of our third piece products.